Many of us rack their brains over the question, how can our businesses reduce their carbon footprints? And provided that transportation is a big part of our day-to-day work, are electric vans and fleets the right way to go? Let's find some answers, while taking into account environmental aspects as well as fleet management and finance. Change needs to be well planned. And if you're hesitant to make the switch to electric mobility, please download the free EQ Ready app and track your driving behavior. Get clear about your requirements regarding a vehicle and find out if the range of an electric van is likely to fit your needs. By comparing your current vehicle to an electric van, you will also discover if you can improve your carbon footprint. Speaking of footprints, Neil Armstrong left his footprints on the moon forever, but can we really make ours disappear from the face of the Earth? What would be the impact of a shift to electric mobility on a global scale? To start with, here's a sobering fact. Even though more electric vehicles are already being produced, global CO2 emissions are expected to stagnate until 2030. However, right after that, we will see a great shift. And by 2050, CO2 emissions will have decreased dramatically. And of course, we support this development. Mercedes-Benz has committed itself to increasing the share of electric vehicles and plug-in hybrids to more than 50% of its total car sales by 2030. And by 2039, we aim to be completely CO2 neutral. How does this affect us right now? So far, there have been no driving bans for commercial vehicles with combustion engines. But that might happen in the future. If we switch now, this could be a genuine competitive advantage for us in the long run. Talking of cost, yes, at the moment purchase costs for electric vans are somewhat higher, but in the long run, the overall costs won't exceed those of a combustion vehicle. And on top of that, Mercedes-Benz will cover all maintenance costs for the first 4 years. Another big advantage, comparing fuel prices will become obsolete. Plus, you may profit from legal and tax advantages. And as if that weren't enough, e-mobility has another positive side effect. An electric engine recuperates during the braking process. That means you gain range while you brake. And yes, we are well aware that our efforts are but small steps on the road to success. No athlete was born a world champion. They work hard, cope with defeats, mobilize the necessary energy, and get there in the end. Electric vehicles might not make all the difference yet. And of course, a lot depends on the type of energy we use to drive our vans. Learn more about the most common myths surrounding e-mobility in our next video.